Feeling stuck, like you're just trading your time for a paycheck and know there has to be a better way? You see people online building these automated income streams that make money while they sleep, and you want in. That's the dream, right? Passive income, financial freedom, and finally ditching the 9 to 5. But let's be real, the idea of starting an online business from scratch feels like a huge, overwhelming mountain to climb. It seems complicated, expensive, and you probably have no clue where to even start. What if I told you there's a way to turn the stuff you already know into an automated business without needing a warehouse full of products or a giant pile of cash? In this video, I'm giving you the complete, step-by-step blueprint to create and sell your very first micro-digital product, even if you've never done anything like this before. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to build your own little income engine, one small product at a time. This isn't just theory, this is the actual playbook. Before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. Why are tiny digital products the best way for a beginner to get started? Well, unlike selling physical stuff, digital products have some serious perks. There's no inventory to worry about, no shipping costs, and you never have to deal with returns. You make it once, and you can sell it forever, which means it's infinitely scalable. The profit margins are insane because you have almost zero recurring costs. This isn't about trading your hours for dollars anymore, it's about building an asset that works for you 24/7, even when you're not. Your online shop is always open. Okay, this is the step where most people get stuck, but it doesn't have to be that hard. The secret is to start with a problem you can solve for a specific group of people. That's your niche. Don't try to sell to everybody. Pick a specific audience, like busy moms, new photographers, or aspiring freelancers, and figure out what they're struggling with. What's a nagging problem they have? What could make their life just 10% easier? Your micro-digital product is the answer. Some popular options that sell like crazy are templates. Think social media templates in Canva, resume templates, or budgeting spreadsheets. People love paying for shortcuts that save them time. Guides and ebooks, these are just short, focused PDFs that solve one very specific problem. Things like a guide to gluten-free baking, a 30-day workout plan, or an ebook on how to write catchy headlines. Printables, these are digital files that customers print at home, like daily planners, chore charts for kids, or goal-setting worksheets. Micro courses, forget huge, overwhelming courses. A micro course could be a simple 30-minute video showing how to edit photos on your phone or a few short lessons on starting a podcast. The key is to keep it micro. We're not writing a 300-page novel here. We're creating a small, super valuable solution to a very specific problem. Want to know the biggest mistake people make? They spend weeks, or even months, creating a product that nobody actually wants. We're not going to do that. We're going to make sure people want our idea first. So, how do you do that? Go hang out where your target audience lives online. This could be Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or even just searching hashtags on Instagram or TikTok. Pay attention to the conversations. What questions do they ask over and over? What are they complaining about? That's a goldmine for product ideas. An easy way to check your idea is to run a simple poll on social media. Ask something like, hey, if I made a simple template for solving a problem, would that be helpful? Or, what's your biggest struggle with your topic? The feedback you get is priceless. You could even offer a small piece of your product idea for free to a few people to see if they like it before you build the whole thing. Alright, now for the fun part, actually making the product. You don't need to be a pro designer or a tech genius for this. There are super simple, user-friendly tools that make it easy. The number one tool I recommend for almost any micro-digital product is Canva. You can use it to create amazing ebooks, guides, planners, templates, you name it. The free account is great, but the pro version gives you way more options. Just find a template to start with and then change the colors, fonts, and images to make it your own. If you're making a mini course with screen recordings, tools like Loom or Screen Studio are awesome and really easy to learn. The goal here is progress, not perfection. Your product just needs to be clear, easy to follow, and actually deliver what you promised. Here's a pro tip, always try to add a little extra value. If you're selling a template, maybe include a quick video showing people how to use it. That small touch can make a huge difference. Once your product is ready, you need a place to sell it. This is your digital storefront. Don't get lost in all the options. The best platform is the one that lets you get up and running fast. For beginners, here are the top choices. Gumroad, this is probably the easiest platform to start with. It's super user-friendly and has no monthly fees, they just take a 10% cut of each sale. You can literally have a product up for sale in minutes. Payhip, very similar to Gumroad. Payhip is another fantastic option with no monthly fees, and it's built specifically for selling digital downloads like ebooks and software. Etsy. If your product is visual, like a printable planner or a design template, Etsy is a great choice because it has a massive, built-in audience of people ready to buy. There are small listing and transaction fees, but the eyeballs you get can be totally worth it. MailerLite. This platform is an amazing all-in-one tool. It combines email marketing with selling digital products. You can build landing pages, sell your stuff, and grow your email list all in one spot, which is super powerful for the long run. Speaking of all-in-one platforms, if you're serious about building an email list from day one, which you absolutely should be, I really recommend checking out MailerLite. You can get started for free, sell your first product without a monthly subscription, and it has everything you need to market and deliver your products on autopilot. You could have the best product in the world, but if nobody sees it, it's not going to sell. Marketing is really just about getting your offer in front of people. First, you need a great product listing. Write a clear title and a description that focuses on the benefits. How will this make the customer's life better, not just the features? Use high-quality pictures or mock-ups so people can see what they're getting. Now, how do you get traffic? For beginners, the best way is with free, organic social media. Pick one platform and master it. Don't try to be everywhere at once. If your audience is on Instagram, focus on making reels. If they're on TikTok, make short, fun videos. If they're more professional, maybe LinkedIn is your spot. Give away value for free. Your content should be like 90% helpful and only 10% selling. If you sell a meal planning template, share free recipes. This builds trust and shows people you know what you're talking about. Use clear calls to action. Literally, tell people what to do next. Point them to the link in your bio to grab your freebie or buy your product. This is where the passive income dream really starts to happen. Your sales platform, like Gumroad or MailerLite, will handle the payment and automatically deliver the product for you. As soon as someone buys, they get an email with the download link without you having to do a thing. But you're not done after the first sale. Look at your analytics to see what's working. Where are your sales coming from? Collect customer feedback and ask for testimonials. Those positive reviews are pure gold and will act like little salespeople working for you 24/7. Once you have a product that sells, it's time to scale. You can create more products for the same audience, bundle them together to get a higher price, or even start messing around with paid ads to reach more people. So let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Find a profitable idea by solving one problem for a specific group of people. Step 2. Make sure people actually want it before you build it. Step 3. Create your small but mighty product with a simple tool like Canva. Step 4. Set up your shop on an easy platform like Gumroad or MailerLite. Step 5 and 6. Write a killer product description and market it by helping people on social media. Step 7 and 8. Automate the delivery, check your stats, and scale up. You now have the exact plan to get out of the time for money trap. You know what you need to do to build an automated business that can give you the freedom you're looking for. The only thing standing between you and your first sale is just taking that first step. So, I have a question for you. Drop a comment below and let me know, what is the first micro-digital product you're going to create? I read every single comment, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.